Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy Telegram feature that'll save you time when hunting for specific photos in your chats. Whether it's a meme from last week or a vacation snapshot buried in a group chat, the app's latest update makes photo searches smoother than ever. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the search bar at the top of the screen. This unassuming little box is your gateway to finding anything. Messages, files, and of course, photos. Next, click on that search bar. You'll notice a new drop-down menu with several filters. Chats, media, links, files, music, and voice. Here's where the magic happens. Select the Photos option to narrow your search exclusively to images. This filter ensures Telegram scans all your chats, groups, and channels for any photo that matches your query. Now, type a keyword related to the photo you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for a sunset picture, enter sunset or beach. Telegram will instantly display a grid of images tagged with that term, or shared in contexts where the word appears. The results are neatly organized, so you can scroll through them visually instead of sifting through endless messages. Finally, click on any thumbnail to open the full-size image. From here, you can download, forward, or zoom in for a closer look. If the photo is part of a longer conversation, Telegram will even highlight the relevant message thread below the image, making it easy to revisit the context, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you can locate any photo in your Telegram history without endless scrolling. This feature is a game changer for frequent users, whether you're organizing work files, reliving personal memories, or just digging up that perfect reaction GIF. Quick tip: combine the Photos filter with specific keywords like dates, names, or locations for even more precise results. Telegram's search algorithm is surprisingly intuitive, so don't be afraid to experiment. Give these steps a try the next time you're lost in a sea of shared images. Telegram's photo search isn't just functional. It's fast. Now go find that needle in the digital haystack.